BBC-Home-Google-Chrome-Vasen. Heading level 2.
Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome to Little Slaw YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use JAWS to read screens and documents. So for now, to have a demo on that, we have bbc.co.uk, and this video is part of your accessibility testing training video. So we have bbc.co.uk, and to access many speech function in JAWS, we can use the numeric keypad, the number pad which we see on the right side of the keyboard. And JAWS uses the insert key at the bottom left of the numpad in combination with other keys on this keypad to control what JAWS will speak. And to JAWS reading the screen, we will have to press the insert and down arrow. So let me enter insert and down arrow, and we can see what does the JAWS do. So I'm clicking on insert and
Heading
down
level
arrow.
2. Link. What happened to the UK economy this week? The last 7 days have been a rollercoaster with mortgage costs and the pound thrown off course. List of 1 items. Attribution. Business list and visited. Heading level 2. Link. Sport headlines. List of 5 items. Link. Live.
And until I click or until I stop, this command works, and this is the say all command. So to do that, we'll have to press insert and down arrow, and in fact we can press insert and the
Period.
left arrow to move to each and every characters, and we have insert and right
Live.
arrow, and even we can just press the left
V.
to
E.
move to
Period.
each characters or through each text. So left or right arrow keys helps us to rewind or fast forward through the text. So we can have a demo on how to use that. So I'm clicking on the right arrow, which will take me to each
Alpha.
text.
T. C. H.
So this
Hotel.
explains watch in every single text. So I can
space
try
period
now. So
space
it takes me
W.
to WATCH watch.
Hotel.
So this is how it takes me to each of the text, and we can press page up or page down to increase or decrease the speech rate. So I'm pressing I'm now trying page up.
Page up. List of 1 items. Nesting level 1.
To increase and decrease. So I'm pressing another page up, and when I click
page
insert,
up, BBC-home. BBC-home, BBC navigation region. Visited link BBC homepage. List of 2 items. Same page link. Skip the content.
So here, so far we have seen how does this speech rate, and now I'm clicking on page down.
Page down. Heading level 2. Link around the UK.
So this will increase or decrease the speech rate, and to halt the speech, say for example you have press
heading level 2 link
arrow.
around the UK. List of 4 items. Link man charged with murder of Olivia Pratt-Corbel.
And to stop it, I have to press, that is, we have to press the control key to stop or to halt the speech. And we have various other additional keystroke combinations that is used. So we have number pad 5. So in the number pad, if we click or if we enter 5,
P,
it says
Papa.
the character
P,
Papa. So it tells the character, and then we have the insert numpad 5, which is when we click on insert and 5,
Pratt-Corbel.
it tells us the word. So again, I'll try it for you. So insert 5,
Pratt-Corbel.
it tells us the word, and then we have insert numpad twice, which spells the word for us. So for now, I want to try this word, and I'm clicking on insert 5.
Pratt-Korbel.
So when I'm pressing insert and number pad 5, it tells us the word, and when I press insert and number pad 5 twice, it spells me the word. And let me try insert and the left arrow,
Olivia,
which takes me to the prior word, and when I click or when I press insert and
Pratt,
right arrow, it takes me to the next word.
BBC.
And now I have the insert and
link
up
man
arrow
charged with murder of Olivia Pratt-Corbel.
So this insert plus up arrow will say the line, and insert plus home will take me or we'll say to the cursor. So I'm pressing insert plus O,
Link man charged with murder of Olivia.
which will say to the cursor.
JAWS dash quick dash start dash guide dot PDF.
And then we have few
BBC
more
dash
other
home. BBC dash home.
and then we have few more other commands such as insert and page up
BBC dash home.
will tell us what is in the cursor, and insert page down will tell us the bottom line of the window, and insert end
BBC homepage.
will say the top line of window. And there are various other reading commands which are available, which is we can use the left and right arrow keys to move to and read the next and previous character. Let us try that. I'm trying the right now.
B C space dash space
And then
dash
the left arrow,
space C.
and even we can try the
Charlotte
up
BBC
arrow
dash home.
and the down
BBC
arrow,
navigation
which
region.
the up and down arrow allows us to read, allows us to move to and read the previous or next line. And by holding down the Alt key and by pressing the up arrow or the down arrow will move through the document by sentence. So let me try that. So for now I'm trying Alt and down.
Alt down arrow.
So this will help me to move through a document, and this will not work in the website or in the browser. And even the Alt
BBC dash home. BBC navigation region.
and up will take me through a document paragraph.
JAWS dash quick dash start dash guide dot PD.
And now let's see
BBC
how to,
dash home. BBC navigation region.
and let's see some of the other actions that we can try using JAWS with the dialog boxes. And for that, so dialog boxes basically display information and allows us to interact with Windows programs. And to move through various options in the dialog box, we can press tab or shift tab. So let me try a tab.
Main region list with 9 items. Russian troops forced out of Kyiv, Ukraine town link.
So this will take me through the data, or which will take me through the text or through these lines in the page. So I'm trying another
Man
tab.
charged with murder of Olivia Pratt dash Corbel link.
So since these are some of the dialog boxes or some of the boxes which are in the browser, so these are the ways which I can navigate. So by pressing tab
Climb down or stand firm dash what does trust do next link.
or by pressing shift tab,
Man charged with murder of Olivia Pratt dash Corbel link.
this will take me to like the forward and the backward in the page or in the document. And then we have the control tab which will move between the tabs. So let me try control tab. So this will work in the document, and then by pressing insert tab to hear a description of the currently selected option. So these are the items which works in the document. So far we saw about how to navigate between the lines, between the text. We have used the number pad, we have used the arrow, and we have used insert, page up and page down. So we will try, or we will look about how to use the JAWS with the internet in our next video. Until then, it's bye from Vasan Shanmugam and Little Slaw.